What is the best crypto to invest in for 2023 and beyond? Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, and 2023 is no exception. If you're looking to dip your toes into this exciting realm, you might be wondering, what's the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2023 and beyond? Let's break it down in simple terms. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the pioneer. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is like the granddaddy. It's the first cryptocurrency ever created and remains the most recognized. While its price can be a roller coaster, many investors still consider it a safe bet. Just remember, Bitcoin is a long-term play, so don't expect overnight riches. 2. Ethereum, ETH, smart contracts and more. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications using smart contracts. These contracts automatically execute when certain conditions are met, eliminating the need for intermediaries. As the technology evolves, Ethereum's value could continue to grow. 3. Binance Coin, BNB, fuel for Binance. Binance Coin powers the Binance Exchange, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's used to pay for trading fees and offers various utilities within the Binance ecosystem. With the exchange's popularity, Binance Coin's demand might see an upswing. 4. Cardano, ADA, research-driven growth. Cardano stands out for its scientific approach to development. Driven by research and peer-reviewed methods, it aims to create a more secure and scalable blockchain. This dedication to robust technology could make Cardano an interesting investment choice. 5. Solana, SOL, high-speed transactions. Solana has gained attention for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees. It's designed to handle decentralized applications and crypto projects with efficiency. If the demand for fast transactions continues to rise, Solana could see significant growth. 6. Polkadot, DOT, connecting blockchains. Polkadot aims to create a network that connects different blockchains, allowing them to share information and work together. This interoperability could have a big impact on the blockchain space, making Polkadot one to watch. 7. Ripple, XRP, digital payments. Ripple focuses on facilitating fast, low-cost international money transfers. It has partnerships with major financial institutions, which could play a role in its future success. However, keep in mind that Ripple's relationship with regulators has been a point of concern. Remember these tips before investing. Research, understand the cryptocurrency you're interested in. What problem does it solve? How unique is its technology? Who is behind the project? Diversification, don't put all your crypto eggs in one basket. Spread your investment across multiple cryptocurrencies to manage risk. Volatility, cryptocurrency prices can be incredibly volatile. Be prepared for sudden ups and downs. Long-term view, cryptocurrency investing is often a long-term game. Hasty decisions based on short-term fluctuations can lead to disappointment. Security, keep your investments secure. Use reputable exchanges and consider hardware wallets for added protection. 9. Terra, LUNA, stablecoins and DeFi. Terra stands out for its focus on stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar. These stablecoins can provide stability in a volatile market and are also used within the Terra ecosystem for various decentralized finance, DeFi, applications. 10. Chainlink, LINK, Oracle Solutions. Chainlink plays a crucial role in the blockchain ecosystem by providing decentralized Oracle solutions. Oracles connect smart contracts with real-world data, enabling them to interact with external information. As smart contracts become more prevalent, Chainlink's importance could grow. 11. VeChain, VET, supply chain management. VeChain focuses on supply chain management and tracking. By using blockchain technology, it aims to enhance transparency and traceability in various industries, including agriculture, luxury goods, and pharmaceuticals. As consumers demand more information about the products they purchase, VeChain's technology could gain traction. 12. Algorand, ALGO, speed and efficiency. Algorand's unique consensus algorithm aims to improve the scalability and efficiency of blockchain networks. It allows for quick transaction confirmations and minimal energy consumption, which could be advantageous for applications requiring fast and eco-friendly transactions. 13. Avalanche, AVAX, scalability and custom blockchains. Avalanche aims to address the issue of scalability that many blockchain networks face. It uses a consensus mechanism called Avalanche that allows for high throughput and customization of blockchains. This flexibility could make it an appealing option for various use cases. 14. Stellar, XLM, cross-border payments. Stellar focuses on facilitating cross-border payments and remittances. It aims to make transactions between different currencies and financial institutions faster and more affordable. As global transactions continue to increase, Stellar's network could see wider adoption. 15. Tezos, XTZ, self-amending blockchain. Tezos is known for its self-amending blockchain, which allows for protocol upgrades without hard forks. This feature enables the network to adapt to changes and improvements more smoothly, potentially leading to a more stable and secure blockchain. This flexibility could make it an appealing option for various use cases. 16. IOTA, MyOTA, Internet of Things, IoT. IOTA is designed to support the Internet of Things, IoT, ecosystem by providing a feeless and scalable network for machine-to-machine transactions. As IoT devices become more prevalent, IOTA's technology could play a pivotal role in enabling seamless microtransactions between devices. In conclusion, the best cryptocurrency to invest in for 2023 and beyond depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Bitcoin and Ethereum are solid choices, while newer players like Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot offer unique features. Whatever you choose, remember to do your homework and invest only what you can afford to lose. Which one of these cryptocurrencies is best for you to invest in? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. For more information on investing in Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.